needs to hear this.
A beautiful tribute.
Favorite.
I know someone who really needed to hear this today. So thank you, Evan Hansen, for doing what you're doing.
I never met you, Connor, but coming on here, reading everyone's posts, it's so easy to feel alone, but Evan is exactly right. We're not alone.
We're not alone. None of us. None of us.
None of us are alone.
Well, especially now, with everything you hear in the news. Repost.
Thank you, Evan Hansen, for giving us a space to remember Connor.
To be together.
To find each other.
Sending prayers from Michigan, Vermont,
Damn.
Sacramento.
Thank you, Evan Hansen.
Repost.
Thank you, Evan Hansen.
Thank you.